you started working on bottles, but how did you initially get interested in just wanting to make any sort of project, not bottles itself, but how did you get started doing any development or any UI stuff as well?
Yes, I remember that my approach was looking at other source code.
Mm-hmm.
I was not very familiar with GitHub. I don't know how it's pronounced,
Yes,
and
GitHub. Yes.
no, and I was looking at the code. I had a little bit of skill for Python,
Mm-hmm.
so I started looking at Python code and just start from there. So I start copying this. Okay, I can put this here, and I can try change this. Well, this works. Okay, I can start reading the documentation,
Mm-hmm.
because if you are a Python developer, which I am not, you have a lot of experience with documentation
Mm-hmm.
references. So you just take the reference, look at the function, this does this, and so just copy this and use, and everything started from there. So
Mm-hmm. So it's been a slow learning process since then, to the point where you can really make your own project.
yes,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
it take me like 3 years to start making something which actually works,
Mm-hmm.
something like that.
Before you made, I presume. So bottles is the first thing where it's a real project that other people want to be using. But before you were doing that, how did you go about learning different things with programming? Did you just do little project, like little small projects on the side, or did you work on other projects for things you might want to be using? How did you go about doing that?
I made another application before
Mm.
that. I was already working as a developer, because I'm not a developer, but I work as a developer. I don't know. Using Django, which is a
Okay.
famous Python framework.
Yep.
So I already had a bit of understanding of what I'm doing.
Hmm.
After, for actually bottles, I made another application which is called Football. Should
Hmm.
be in the elementary app center, if not wrong. And it just show football score.
Oh, okay.
So it was my real first application.
Hmm. That would teach you basic things like interacting with an API and basic GUI stuff as well. But it's not this big application like Bottles is now.
Yes,
Hmm.
that's football.
Hmm. Hmm.